Hi guys, this is Shashank from Varanasi again, and today I've got Konor with me on the food tour. Konor is from Canada, right?
I am from Canada, Vancouver to be exact.
So we are just right over here at this shop, and this guy over here, he makes really good Panir Sandwich. So I'm gonna bring you closer to this shop. So you can see that this guy, he makes paneer cheese burger for 45 rupees, paneer pizza sandwich for 40 rupees, paneer spring roll 35 rupees, veg spring roll and all that. So you can see the stuff what he has got here. It is all sandwich, and this is a big pan here filled with mustard oil. And he also has got a spring roll over there. So भैया दो सैंडविच बनाना ये वाली पनीर चाट सैंडविच दो हाँ दो. So he has got all things prepared over there. So this has like bread and it has paneer like cheese, and it is served with some chutney, some sauce, some crackers on the top, and yeah, again some few more crackers. This is clarified butter, ghee, and we have got a spoon here. So this is how it looks like.
Thank you.
So we are just going to have it, and then I will let you know how it looks like. Enjoy, Konor. So this is like one of my food tour stop when I do the tours in Varanasi, and I always bring people over here in this shop. Did you have it, Konor, already?
I have had it. I'm going back for a second bite.
Yeah, okay. How do you like it?
Delicious.
Delicious?
It's very like flavorful. I love it.
So it has just bread, and it has some paneer inside. It's like Indian cheese, you can say.
Okay.
And also has some butter on the top, like pasteurized butter, ghee. And it also has some crackers.
Is that the yellow stuff?
Yeah, the yellow stuff. Yeah. So how do you feel about Indian food? Do you like Indian food?
Yeah, I'm a big advocate of spicy food and just authentic food, and so far it's been amazing. It's definitely lived up to my expectations.
And what brought you to do the food tour?
I'm a big food fanatic, and I just love the Indian cuisine. So I saw, actually, a person in my room did the tour yesterday, led by you, and he highly recommended it. So that led me to wanting to join as well.
Great. So I'm just going to turn the camera there and ask you a question to this guy. भैया कितने दिन से शॉप है तुम्हारी ये? कितने दिन से खोले हो ये? 10 साल. So he has been selling this stuff for around 10 years, and I think I have been coming here for the last 5 years, I can say. So if you guys want to come here on your own, you just have to come to the that is like Kashi Vishwanath temple, that area, and on the left hand side, that's the way to the cremation ghat, Manikarnika ghat, and there is the ICICI bank here. Probably you can't see it because of the light, but this is the ICICI bank, and it is just opposite the ICICI bank below the Chitra cinema. This used to be like the biggest cinema in olden days, but it does not function anymore. There's a temple office over here right now, but you can find it here when you will come. Alright, so I'm gonna end the tour right now, and then I will see you in the next one. And I'm just going to join Connor for the next adventure, which is more some sweets and lassi and so on. See you in the next video, guys. Love you guys. Bye bye.
Yeah.